So on this video, welcome back to SAT Math.
Đây
In this
là
video, we're gonna
chán hay
finish
phải ta?
question from the number 22. So the number 22 gives us a table with the distribution of FTC complaints categorized by payment method and the dollar value of all transactions that made under each method. Alright, so basically there's a table with numbers. Okay, so they ask if a FTC complaint is chosen at random, which is the closest to the probability. Okay, so we need to think of the closest probability that the complaint is related to payment method.
Anna thì sao ta?
Okay, so we just gonna need to look at payment method whose transaction accounted for the highest dollar value.
À, biết cái này rồi.
Okay, so the highest dollar value is actually this part, right? So 100 millions dollars. So basically the transaction method we are talking about is the wire transfer, and we're gonna calculate number, right? So for number 22, we're gonna take the number of wire transfer over the total, right? So that's the probability. Alright, so that is 106,427 over 5,356,553, and that's approximately 0.3, right? So the answer gonna be C. Okay, C. Alright. Alright, for number 23, let's see. Jack has a bank account that earns 5% interest compound annually. After 8 years, he has a total of 4,000 in his account, which represent the value of his initial deposit. Alright, so for number 23, we know that because we have the compound interest of 5% annually, so assume that at beginning Jack has A0 money, right? So okay, he has 4,000 in his A0 money. So after 3 years, he gonna earn because 5% increase is 1.05, so that's to the power of t, right? And that's the amount he have after t year. Alright, so 80. So now we know that 80
cái gì vậy? Ủa gì vậy?
So now we have that we know that 80 is equal to 4,000, right? 4,000.
Gì vậy?
And we know that t is equal to 8.
Gắn bằng nhau rồi.
So now we can put in the equation and we're gonna find out A0. So this gonna be we're gonna replace t with 8 and we're gonna replace 80 with 4,000, right? So we can figure out A0 gonna be 4,000 over this term, right? This term. Alright, so this term gonna be actually corresponding to the answer B, right? B, right? Okay, so I think it's B, and let's just move to number 24. Okay, the 24 answers, we have A and B here. So they ask us that if if the area of the circle is 54 pi, what is the area of the sector formed by the central angle ACB? Okay, so we are asked to find the area of this part, this whole section, right? Okay, so alright, let's calculate that. Okay, so we know that this area, the area gonna be the circle area divided by 360, and we multiply it with the angle ACB, right? Multiply with ACB. So we know the area of the circle, so now we have to calculate ACB, right? So because the triangle
Thầy ơi cái này khó quá. Thầy cái này khó quá à. Này khó.
So triangle ACB. So triangle ACB. So is isosceles at C. So we know that the angle ACB gonna be equal to the angle ACB gonna be equal to 180 minus 2 times the angle CAB, right? CAB. So that's it. 180 minus 2 times 50, right? So that's 80 left, right? Alright, so we find out ACB. So we can just simply put it. So area gonna be equal to circle area. We know it's 54 pi. 54 pi, and we multiply by ACB is 80. So we put this in, and we will just gonna calculate. So
Cái này chắc là 45 độ chứ còn gì nữa.
Over 360.
Nó không đúng luôn.
Time 80.
6.
Okay, so let's see how much we have. So we have 12 pi, right? So 12 pi. 12 pi. So the answer should be B, right? B. Alright, so let's check it out. 22 is C. Let's check it out. So the answer is B, 12 pi. 12 pi here. So let's check it out. This is B. Right, B. So 22 is C. 22 is in this C, right?
23 is B. Đi, mày nói. Mày đi dọn này nó.
23 is B. Alright. 24 is B. Okay. So I think that's correct. So I think that's enough for this video. So thank you very much for joining in. See you next episode. Goodbye.